Bro, this has got to be the most unfortunate losing streak of all time, bro. Literally, what the fuck, bro? Like, genuinely, why? I don't understand what was the point of doing this shit that we just did here. I have no fucking clue. This was such a good trade, in my opinion. I had no doubts that this would lose. At all. I mean, no doubts that this would win. I'm sorry. No doubts that this would win. Man, like, what the fuck? Look at ES. I mean, at least ES would have been a break even or something. NQ just stopped me the fuck out for no apparent reason, bro. Actually, fuck this shit, bro. This is so annoying. Anyways, I guess we'll get into the recap. Yep, 3 trade losing streak. Yeah, this is so buns, bro. I haven't been trading shit all week either, bro. 2 trades last week. No trades for 3 days straight. No trades for 2 days straight this week. Wednesday, we just... Man. And I woke up late today, bro. Fuck this day. Honestly, I should have stayed in bed, bro. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into the recap. Was clearly bullish even off, like, just waking up. I can already just tell how bullish the move was because I saw the reaction and whatnot, but... Yeah, coming in the market open. Let me actually hide these drawings real quick. So we're at all-time highs. Now we are in a condition right now. If we inverse this hourly, we can look for shorts to the London and Asia low. But yeah, we have this hourly condition. We have an S&T at the hourly on ES. We're also in a huge 15 minutes, so also hit this order block. Yeah. Enough said. Also, we had great low resistance. I hate using this thing, but fucking TradingView sucks dog shit. I'll go to the 5 minute. Oh my gosh, let me just reset this stupid shit. It's pissing me off. Man, I have to go to replay mode. Are you serious, bro? Not off to a good start. And it doesn't look like we're going to get anything today either. Today looks pretty ass. Like, absolutely no structure. I see there's some good low resistance to the upside today, but other than that, I mean, there's really nothing. But yeah, we have super smooth trend line here. On the 1 minute, we have some decent highs up here. Yeah, so gonna play this out. So right off the rip, market open, we get a nice dump here. Now we maintain this S&T on the hourly, as well as with the recent low. This is what it looks like if I play this out. Let's see if we actually, yeah, we didn't end up hitting that recent low. Now, NQ did, dude, what is up with TradingView? Because it's not even showing the relatively equal highs either. Now we did present a 30-second here. Now I probably wouldn't take this because, I mean, the close is a huge doji candle. Not only that, but we hit this BPR, this 30-second BPR, and you kind of rejected out of it in a way. And then by the time we got this next 30-second, we're already all the way up here. Same with the 1 minute. In fact, we didn't even inverse on the one. Why'd I go to the hourly? We didn't even inverse on the 1 minute. We just had a huge candle up in here. So it's best to wait for a retrace. We generated equal highs. We still have this low resistance above. This is a solid ass setup. Man, I felt sorry when I woke up and I saw that I missed this. But yeah, we retraced this 1 minute. We swept that low. Made an S&T at that low, in fact. And then we inversed this 1 minute up here. This most likely, actually, I don't know. I doubt this would have been break even, but this probably wouldn't have been a win either. If I just play that, let me remove this too. Actually, I'm just gonna make this really thin. But yeah, we have relatively equal highs here. We have equal highs up there. This is a solid trade. Go break even once we hit that. Bang, and then would have been break even here. But depending on this, like considering we have low resistance right here, it would have been a better idea, to just let it run, give it some room to breathe and whatnot. But yeah, don't really know how that would have played out because I did not take this trade. But beautiful delivery up here. depending on what you're, I mean, actually, never mind. I just completely forgot that we didn't hit these highs up here. So this probably would have been a break even. We did hit this 5 minute. Got a huge rejection out of it. And don't know if I would have trailed my TP or what, but at the top of this 5 minutes, about a 1.3 R. This is about a 1 to 1, 1.2 R at the 5 minutes. So I don't know. I really don't know. But yeah, this gets break even, ends up running up. And I'm actually going to, this is where I took my trade. Now, looks like a pretty solid 1 minute trade. What did we bounce out of? Any fair value gaps? Don't really see much fair value gaps at all. Maybe that could have been the issue. We did reject out of the 4 minute with a huge wick. But the main idea was basically bouncing out of this 5 minute order block right here. Right, same here on the 1 minute. Just that 5 minute order block, which is what my stop loss was on top of. And really, I just like what ES looked like, right? ES had a huge 5 minute, massive ass rejection to the upside. Why is my chair making so much fucking noise? We did inverse this gap up here. This looks super, super good, right? Even on NQ, this looks super solid. We inverse this 5 minute up here that's holding. We do have a 5 minute right here. So actually, let me see if this gets hit. Actually, doesn't. I don't think this gets hit. I don't think so. I'm not sure. We'll find out. But we have a 5 minute right there, just above these highs right there, and we have relatively equal highs, which I'm not sure why it's not showing on the replay mode. Oh my gosh, bro, this shit's pissing me off. I have to fucking do this every time. And my chair won't shut up, bro. All right, well, there's a relatively equal highs right there. All right, I don't know what the replay mode is doing. The replay mode's tripping. But we have perfect relatively equal highs. It's actually damn near exact equal highs. Let's see how far apart they are. 5, 13, 75. 5, 14, 13. So we're literally 25 cents off. So this is damn near equal highs. So I'm gonna actually put that at equal highs. And my shit is not loading. Oh my gosh, everything is just fucking fucked right now, bro. Pissing me off, making me mad. And yeah, we didn't even hit this high up here. These highs right there. So, some bullshit. But I don't even know what to say about this, man. This looks solid as hell. I really don't know what to say. I mean, we were still generating this hourly, so that's the only thing I could see about this. But I see no reason for us to come all the way back down here, bounce within this range before finally running up to hit TP. And the thing that pissed me off the most was I extended my stop below this order block. So I lost even more than I wanted to, because once I saw this dump, I was like, all right, let me just give this a little bit of room to breathe. I'm still pretty confident that we'll run up. Nah, man, we just got demolished today. We got 8 up. Man, dude, same shit happened last week on Monday. It took a really, really good ass continuation long on the 1 minute. Great low resistance above, all that good stuff, and got stopped out. I was like, all right, probably wrong. Come back to the charts a couple hours later and see that we fucking ran full TP. Oh my gosh, bro. Like, we didn't even manipulate into anything super key level either. We just chopped up, bro. Like, for no fucking reason. Same shit here. Like, I don't understand why we didn't just run up. And the fact that this ran, and I'm not even on replay mode, and this shit still won't let me. There we go. Maybe if I just hit my mouse next time it works. Oh my gosh, bro. It's so annoying. But yeah, we ran up all the way past all-time highs, so it's really, really annoying. My TPs were pretty much, let me just go over it. I was kind of just aiming based off RR. I really like the relatively equal highs. See, it just disappears for some reason. That's so weird. Or the equal highs that we had. We had this buy side inside of this 5 minute. We barely tapped, so that's pretty much what I was really looking for. We're already past EQ the range, but TP does align with OTE. It's kind of high in premium though, but you know what I mean. And I mean, yeah, probably would have had runners up to all-time highs. But bro, this just looks so bullish. If I go back to the hourly, you're gonna see massive ass rejection right there. All right, we got the SMT. Everything aligns for longs here, right? There's no reason I should be shorting. I mean, even just this 5-minute structure, bro. Like, we get a change in state. We even get a fucking break of structure. We get a pullback. We, you know, ES had the 5-minute. NQ had the order block. Inverse this 5-minute up here. This last 5-minute up there. Equalize above. Why do we not just? I don't even. If we could have just ran this, and I wouldn't even mind getting break even here. But the fact that this shit stopped me out and then ran full TPs, what really pisses me off, man. Oh my gosh, bro. And then I actually kind of almost forgot about this, but I took a re-entry here. Once I got stopped, right here, I took a re-entry. Saw we took this low out here. Did we have an SMT? Yeah, we did. And we still had relatively equal highs, and at this point in time, we had the untapped hourly. So if I go ahead and go to the hourly, you'll see that. Untapped hourly up here. Still rejecting out of this 1 hour down there. Very, very good delivery. I thought this shit would rip. My stop was, I don't even know where my stop, I think it was like right here. Equal highs up there, about a 1-to-1. And yeah. Basically, I went break even pretty early once we came up and hit this 1 minute. If we inversed, I left actually, so I got break even. I didn't go break even. I was like, I'm gonna let this breathe a little bit. We came back down, and once we came back up, that's when I then went break even. And then, you know, just seeing that, I don't know how we didn't inverse this, but since we got rejection to the downside, I'm like, all right, I'm not even gonna look to trade this shit anymore. If we do end up inversing this, I would take a long, but we never end up getting it. Maybe kind of thankful we didn't, because if I would have lost, I would have been pissed. I don't even know what I would have done, bro. But yeah, basically took this loss, really good loss in my opinion. This is a pretty nice re-entry. Luckily got break even on there. But yeah, not bad of trades at all, I would say. I would 100% take this if I saw this again. Obviously, if I knew it lost, I wouldn't take it. But if this was any other day and this appeared, I would for sure take it. All right, really, really good A+ setup. Just bullshit NQ was doing, bro. Just literal bullshit. ES looks so much better here. So much fucking better. Oh my gosh, ES is literally running up, making higher highs, lower lows, or higher highs, higher lows, and NQ is doing whatever the fuck. We're making a higher high, we're making a lower low, we're making a coming back to the same high, coming back down to the same low, just bouncing around doing some nonsensical bullshit. Oh my gosh, that's so fucking annoying, bro. Anyways, we'll see what we have today. So if I don't trade the rest of the week, it's pretty likely. We only got 2 days left. We got Thursday and Friday, and today looks pretty crap. So we'll see. But you know, I really don't have anything else to say. I'm just kind of yapping. But I'm gonna dip, go eat, and then get ready for this market open. So peace. I'm out.